Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss hydroponic sowing, an advanced and innovative method of agriculture that is transforming the way crops are grown across the world. Agriculture is the foundation of human life. However, with increasing population, decreasing agricultural land, water scarcity, and climate change, modern farming techniques have become essential. One such revolutionary technique is hydroponics, which allows crops to grow without soil by using nutrient rich water solution. Hydroponic sowing is a method of growing plants without soil where all essential nutrients required for plant growth are supplied directly through water. In this system, plant roots are placed in a nutrient solution or supported by inert growing media such as rock wool, cocoa quartz, perlite gravels, or sands. The word hydroponics is derived from two Greek words. First one is hydros meaning water and ponos meaning labor or work. Thus hydroponics means working with water. This technique is becoming increasingly popular in commercial agriculture, urban farming, greenhouse cultivation, and home gardening because of its high productivity and efficient use of resources. In hydroponic system, seeds are first germinated in a suitable growing medium, and once seedlings develop healthy roots, they are transferred into hydroponic units where nutrient rich water continuously supplies essential minerals such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. The roots absorb these nutrients directly from the solution, resulting the faster growth and better yield compared to traditional soil farming. Environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, light, and pH level and oxygen supply are carefully controlled to create ideal growing conditions for plants. Hydroponic farming offers several important benefits such as faster plant growth, water conservation, space efficiency, reduced use of pesticides, higher yield, and better quality produce. Plants grown hydroponically usually grow 30 to 50% faster than soil grown plants because nutrients are readily available to the roots. Plants spend less energy searching for nutrients and more energy on growth and development. Hydroponics uses significantly less water than conventional agriculture. The water used in the system can be recycled and reused, reducing water wastage. This makes hydroponics highly suitable for areas facing water scarcity. Hydroponic systems require less space and can even be arranged vertically, therefore, they are ideal for urban gardening, rooftop farming, indoor cultivation, and areas with limited agricultural land. Since hydroponic farming is usually carried out in controlled environments such as greenhouses or indoor systems, the chances of pests, weeds, and soil-borne diseases are much lower. As a result, fewer chemical pesticides and herbicides are needed. Hydroponic systems often produce higher crop yields because plants receive balanced nutrients and ideal growing conditions throughout their life cycle. Hydroponics allows farmers to grow crops throughout the year, regardless of seasonal or climatic conditions. Indoor lighting and climate control make continuous production possible. Hydroponically grown vegetables and fruits are often cleaner, fresher, and more nutritious, uniform in size and appearance. Despite its many advantages, hydroponic farming also has certain limitations. Establishing a hydroponic system requires investment in pumps, pipe, water tanks, growing trays, nutrient solution, artificial lighting, climate control equipments, and this makes the initial cost higher than traditional farming. Successful hydroponic farming requires knowledge about plant nutrients, pH balance, water quality, environmental control, system maintenance, and beginner may find it difficult without proper training. Most hydroponic systems rely heavily on electricity for water pumps, aerators, fans, and lighting systems. Power failures can affect plant growth and damage crops if backup systems are unavailable. Since all plants share the same nutrient solution, waterborne diseases can spread quickly throughout the system if contamination occurred. Hydroponic systems need regular monitoring of nutrient concentration, water temperature, oxygen supply, pH level, and any imbalance can negatively affect plant health. And to achieve successful hydroponic cultivation, several important practices should be followed, such as selection of suitable hydroponic system, choosing a hydroponic system according to the type of crops, available space, and budget. Common systems include deep water culture, nutrient film technique, drip system, wick systems, aeroponics. Proper nutrient management, and in this case use high quality nutrient solutions containing all essential macro and micronutrients. Nutrient concentration should be adjusted according to crop requirement. Maintain the proper pH level, usually between 5.5 to 6.5. Electrical conductivity, EC, to ensure efficient nutrient absorption. Seeds should first be germinated in media like rock wool, cocoa coir, peat pellets. Healthy seedlings are then transferred to the hydroponic setup. Plants require sufficient sunlight or artificial LED grown lights for photosynthesis, especially in indoor systems. Maintaining optimum environmental conditions promotes healthy growth and reduces disease incidence. The hydroponic systems should be cleaned regularly to prevent algae growth, salt buildup, root diseases, and blockage in pipes and pumps. Hydroponics supports a wide range of crops, especially those suitable for controlled environments. For example, leafy vegetables such as lettuce, spinach, kale, Swiss charts, and these crops grown quickly and are highly profitable. Herbs plants adapt very well to hydroponic conditions. Fruity vegetables such as tomato, cucumber, capsicum, bell pepper, chili, and these crops may require support structures but can produce excellent yields. Hydroponically grown strawberries are becoming increasingly popular because controlled conditions improve fruit quality, taste, and cleanliness. Many flowers and ornamental plants can also be grown hydroponically for commercial purposes. Hydroponics plays a major role in sustainable agriculture and future food security. It helps in increasing food production, save water resources, reduce land dependency, support urban farming, produce pesticide free vegetables. Countries with limited fertile land and harsh climates are increasingly adopting hydroponic farming to ensure continuous food supplies. Hydroponics is also useful in space research, desert agriculture, vertical farming systems. Hence, hydroponic sowing is a modern and efficient agriculture technology that offers enormous potential for future farming. By growing plants without soil and supplying nutrients directly through water, hydroponics enables faster growth, higher productivity, and efficient use of resources. Although the system requires investment, technical knowledge, and careful management, its long term benefits are highly significant. As the world faces challenges like population growth, climate change, and water scarcity, hydroponic farming may become one of the most important methods of sustainable agriculture in the future. Thank you everyone for listening patiently. I hope this discussion helped you understand the concepts, advantages, challenges, and importance of hydroponic sowing in modern agriculture. Thank you so much.